10 Best Amazon Scary and Horror Human Shapes You Should Buy in 2025. Are you curious what are the best-selling items on Amazon in September 2025? Today, I will reveal 15 super hot deals, from smart home appliances, home workout equipment, to utility accessories that everyone wants to own. All of them are on shocking sale and are sought after everywhere. Don't miss out, because there are definitely items you will wish you had known earlier. Farm Life-Size Animatronic Coatrack Monster. This Farm Life-Size Animatronic Coatrack Monster is straight up terrifying. Perfect if you're tired of boring decorations that nobody notices. It lights up, makes spooky sounds, and even jumps into action with motion or sound sensors, so yeah, it'll scare the life out of your friends. No batteries needed, just plug it in and let the nightmares begin. Seriously, don't be the only house on the block without it. Hit the link in the description before this creepy guy sells out. Farm Life-Size Animatronic Convulsing Nurse. This Farm Life-Size Animatronic Convulsing Nurse is absolutely terrifying. Forget about those weak little pumpkins. This thing will make your house the one everyone remembers. Tired of boring decorations that don't scare anyone? This nurse comes alive with creepy sounds, glowing lights, and jumps into action with motion or sound sensors. And the best part? No batteries, just plug it in and let her haunt all night long. Don't wait, these are flying off the shelves. Links in the description and comments grab it before it's gone. Farm Life-Size Animatronic Gravely Granny. This Farm Life-Size Animatronic Gravely Granny is next level creepy. Forget the same old decorations, this one will have neighbors stopping in their tracks. Everyone's been there spending hours setting up stuff that doesn't even scare anyone. But Granny? She lights up, groans with chilling sounds, and jumps into action the second someone gets close. Plus, no battery hassle, just plug it in, and she's ready to haunt all night. Trust me, this will be the star of your Halloween setup. Links in the description and comments grab her before she disappears. Motion-Activated Sitting Tombstone Girl. This motion-activated sitting tombstone girl is nightmare fuel in the best way possible. She sits on a headstone, giggling, humming, and even talking with creepy little phrases that'll give your guests chills. We've all had decorations that just sit there boring. But this girl? Her head moves, her legs swing, and she jumps to life with sound or motion. Plus, you can run her on batteries or plug her in super easy to set up anywhere. Trust me, she'll steal the show this year. Don't wait, links in the description and comments before she sells out. Battery-operated, motion and sound activated animatronic zombie. This battery-operated, motion and sound activated animatronic zombie is straight up terrifying. Perfect if you're tired of decorations that just sit there and look meh. This guy's eyes glow blood red, his head twists side to side, and his body jerks like he's clawing out of the ground, all while laughing like a total maniac. And since it runs on batteries, you can drop him anywhere, porch, hallway, or yard, no outlets needed. Seriously, your guests won't forget this one. Links in the description and comments grab it now before it's gone. Life-Size Scary Talking Clown. This life-size scary talking clown is next level terrifying. Forget those boring props that just sit there, this guy actually comes alive. We've all had decorations that don't impress anyone, but this clown, his eyes glow red, his arms move, and he spits out bone-chilling lines like, "I've been hiding under your bed," or "You taste much better when you're scared." Runs on batteries so you can set him up anywhere, front door, hallway, or porch. Don't wait, this one's gonna fly off shelves. Links in the description and comments grab it now. Scary Swinging Talking Clown Animatronic. This scary swinging talking clown animatronic is nightmare fuel. Perfect if you're tired of decorations that don't actually scare anyone. We've all had props that just sit there, right? But this clown, he shakes when touched, his eyes glow with flashing red LEDs, and he talks with creepy phrases like, "Welcome little kitties," and "If you think I'm funny, look in the mirror." Runs on batteries so you can hang him anywhere. Seriously, this one steals the show. Don't wait, links in the description and comments before it sells out. Life-Size Scary Zombie with Electric Fence. This life-size scary zombie with electric fence is pure nightmare fuel. Perfect if you're tired of boring props that don't scare anyone. We've all had decorations that just sit there collecting dust, but this zombie, he lights up with glowing red eyes, shakes like he's being electrocuted, and lets out a maniacal laugh with thunder crashing in the background. Touch activated and totally battery powered, you can drop him anywhere, porch, hallway, or yard, no messy wires. Seriously, this one will stop trick-or-treaters in their tracks. Links in the description and comments, grab it before it's gone. Scary Scarecrow Animatronic. This Scary Scarecrow Animatronic is the ultimate porch greeter that's anything but friendly. Forget boring props, this guy actually comes alive. We've all had decorations that just sit there, right? But this Scarecrow? His creepy green eyes flash, his arms are fully posable, and when someone gets close, he growls, "I see you," guaranteed to freak out trick-or-treaters. Battery powered so you can hang him, stand him, or move him anywhere, front door, walkway, or yard. Don't wait, this is the scare that sells out fast. Links in the description and comments, grab it now. Sitting and Talking Witch Halloween Animatronic. This Sitting and Talking Witch Halloween Animatronic is straight up creepy and hilarious at the same time. She sits there with her glowing cauldron, red LED eyes, and actually talks with moving lips. No more boring decorations, this witch jumps to life the second someone walks by, perfect for your porch, table, or even hanging from a tree. Her bendable arms make it easy to pose her however you want. Seriously, this will spook every trick-or-treater. Don't wait, link in the description before she sells out.